Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 80. We are continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we begin back inside the main cell house near A Block, an area of Alcatraz that's now closed to the public, and follow the route towards the end of the self-guided tour. We start at A Block, the oldest surviving cell range on the island, built between 1909 and 1912 as part of the original military prison. It was incorporated into the federal penitentiary in 1934, but quickly fell out of use. The cells here were smaller, lacked adequate plumbing, and never received the upgrade given to blocks B, C, and D. Because of this, the section is now closed to visitors for safety and preservation. Looking through the gates, you can still see the old ironwork and narrow walkways that show just how different this first generation of cells was from the rest of the prison. Above, the second floor of the cell house is also off limits today. During the federal years, it contained offices, maintenance rooms, and some of the mechanical systems that supported daily operations. Access is now restricted due to structural concerns and the effort to preserve original material that was over a century old. We move around the open end of the cell ranges towards the dining room, where the self-guided audio tour concludes. This space once served hundreds of inmates 3 times a day. It's now home to the Alcatraz gift shop and information counter, located where the kitchen serving area once stood. Visitors returning their audio tour devices here end their circuit much like the inmates once did, walking in line through the same corridors that structured their daily routines. The transformation of this area from dining hall to interpretive center represents how Alcatraz has changed purpose over time. From a symbol of isolation and control to a place of education and preservation. What was once designed to contain people now exists to inform them. That concludes today's episode. Our final steps inside the cell house, from the closed-off A Block and the old dining room, and down to where the self-guided tour and our visit through the heart of Alcatraz comes to an end.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.